Hey, what's up? So I'm gonna show today how I make the marquee number 5. I already made the number 1. If you want, you can probably see it in one of the videos I have. There'll be a link at the bottom. I'm just gonna show a quick clip of me making it and then how it's set up for tomorrow's event. What's up? I'm working on the number 5. Today is Friday. I'm late again. The event is Saturday at 12. It's like 7 in the morning and it's raining outside, so I'm under my tarp, but it's going a lot faster. We'll see how it looks. The white wasn't really covering it, just kept fading away. I don't know if it's because it's glossy or what, but I'm just gonna use the red to prime it like last time and it should work out good. Hey, what's up? I just finished the number 5. Just finished putting the last coat of spray paint on there. I'm gonna wait for it to dry, put the light bulbs, and then have it ready for tomorrow's event. It went a lot smoother. This one is just quick cuts than the number 1. So in all time, this one probably took me about 4 to 5 hours depending. The difficult part was really trying to sketch out the 5. I didn't get any stencil. I just kind of went with the 5 and drew it out, just kind of measured it. And it came out exactly the way I was wanting to. I wanted to make it a little bit more, I was worried I wanted to make a little more marks like this to make it smoother, but I was worried that it would look more like an S. So I'm glad I went with the curve at the bottom and straight and then top. Makes it more look like a 5. Really excited about this one. If anything, I'll probably put a little bit more caulking on some of the corners after I put the light bulbs, and I'll see the way it looks next to the one I made 2 weeks ago. Hey, what's up? I'm here at the setup. I brought the number 5. I put it next to our number 1. It's the night before the event, and I'm just gonna be putting the light bulbs in. Hey, what's up? Just finished the 15. The event's tomorrow. Here it is, lighted up. Came out awesome, I think. There was the decorations. Those were done earlier this morning. We were just waiting on the 15. And here it is. Here it's lighted up. Let's get a closer look. See how it looks. Yeah. There's the one from last time. There's the 5. Thank you for watching how this Marquee number 5 came together. If you like watching more of these videos, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I'll try to make as many as I can.